Digital success in less than 3 minutes.
My name is Ross Hovey and I am Accessibility Manager for Lloyds Banking Group. I have spinal muscular atrophy, which confines me to an electric wheelchair. I don't use any specialist software or specialist laptop or mice. On my laptop, I tend to use the nipple rather than the mouse pad because I find it's less sensitive to use. But I guess the main piece of assistive technology I use is my iPhone because it enables me to receive emails, view presentations, type emails, use WebExes, hold the camera so that people can see me, and it allows me to be independent. I don't, it's always in my hand, so I can, pretty much do anything that I need to from there, and it interchanges between my work life and my personal life. So I use my mainstream iPhone differently. So it's got a feature on it called assistive touch. So I struggle to lock the screen and unlock the screen. I actually have got the iPhone X, which unlocks off my face because I was getting more difficult typing in the numbers. So that enables me to unlock it easily. But I use the assistive tech feature on there, which allows me to lock it, turn the volume up and down, take screenshots if I need to screenshot something. And I also use the same features on my iPad. I guess my superpower is a combination of memory and navigation. So being in a wheelchair, I have to learn routes to places. In fact, even driving my car, because I drive off hand controls, bumps or certain types of uneven roads are more difficult for me to drive on. So I photographically memorise routes between places. I guess in the workplace, one of the main difficulties for me is manoeuvrability. So spaces between desks, doorways, getting in and out of lifts, and even just being comfortable at my desk. A standard electric up and down desk wouldn't actually suit me. I need something more bespoke, something that would almost be custom made, and that kind of table doesn't seem to exist. So manoeuvrability, accessing the desk easily. I tend to compensate and do things like sit on the corner of a desk because it allows me to be clear of the legs but get close enough for my body to be able to rest my keyboard on the corner. I would say obviously to continue to employ all diverse people, whether it's disability or another element of diversity. We've all got lots of different skills and attributes, but I'd also take time to listen to those people, listen to their ideas. Sometimes you don't need experts to help solve the problem because the person with the disability or the difference knows what they need themselves to enable them to do the job. And sometimes it's not that expensive, it's not that complicated, it's often just a bit of common sense.
This video was produced for Business Disability Forum in collaboration with BBC and Microlink, with thanks to Anya Otto from Atos, Joanna Wootten, age, disability and inclusion expert, Nicola James from Lexxic, Bepey from BBC, Smyth from Barclays, Ross Hovey from Lloyds Banking Group,